Hey guys, long time no see. Here behind me, I have my Honda Civic, 1991 Honda Civic, and as you can see, there's no hood on it. The hood is right there. What happened was one of the brackets rusted out one of the bolts, and as I was driving in the highway, that old hood flew off in the middle of the street, and it like completely bent. I don't know if you can see it from that angle, but it bent from this. The corners are going up. There's a lot of dents in the middle, the other side. I can't move it because my car's right here in the way. Basically, it's no good. You know, it's basically totaled. I brought it if I need any parts for it for the new hood that I got right here. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace it. I bought just a matte one from eBay. They don't include brackets. I had to buy separate brackets because the ones that my Civic had were no good. So I bought I bought new ones of another seller. They were used, and there was a red Honda Civic. I'm trying to find them where they are. Right here. I already installed one. It's on the passenger side. As you can see, they're red. You can see they're red. The guy also included some nuts and washers for me to put on the the brackets that these were originally on. So we're gonna at least try that one right there. That one right there, that bracket standing up, that was the old one that I had, but I'm still gonna take it off because it doesn't look too stable, too sure. So I'm gonna take that one off and put the red one. So I'm not even gonna bother painting it the same color because, well, first of all, I have to sand it down, primer and all that good stuff. So for now, let's just leave it like that. Put the black hood on, and we'll see how it goes. We're gonna take this bolt, and there's another one under there, off, and put on a new one. Very easy, guys, to do this. I installed the red one, since the one I had was in really bad shape. So the hell with that one. This one is more sturdy, more it just feels more safe than the other one. This one still has like a couple more years to last, and it's not as rusted as the other one. But it's not that hard. I just took off the wiper plastic off the windshield, and there's another bolt right there behind there. Take it off, and then this one, and then yank the old bracket, and then put this new one, brand new, or as good as new. I'm gonna show you the other one. Next, we take this piece of the old hood, the hook that goes that locks the hood down. This is the old hood. Take out this piece of the old hood and put it onto the new one. Right on the bottom piece. Kind of like that. Sorry. Kind of like. Wait, I was right the first time. Was I? Yeah, I was right the first time. I'm sorry. Right that, like that. Bolted it in, and it should be good. it's ready and installed. I'm trying to focus here. Yeah, so it's done, and it's tightened up for it to ready to go, and to put on the hood onto the brackets. But I'm gonna need another person to help me out with that, and I'm gonna bring my brother right now. Alright guys, so it's all finished and done. These are the final results. I'm still missing one of those washer disposals. The other one broke, so I took that one off, and I need to buy one of the auto parts. I already have the other old one. Still not connected, as you can see. I tried adding washer fluid, or wiping fluid, and it leaked. So the little container that's right here in the corner, I think it broke, and it's leaking everywhere. I just put a little bit of fluid, and it's crazy wet on the floor right now. So, but overall, this is how it came out. Just to give you guys a better look, I put the little the hood bra just because I bought it for a reason. I wasn't just gonna take it off and leave it like that, but I had it right there. It was on the old hood when it flew away, but I kept it, and I put on a new one. I'm gonna paint the front bumper black, so we can give it a better look with the lower lip, and maybe it can be it can give it a better look, or a different look, because I don't really like the blue now that my hood is not blue anymore. So maybe if I paint it all black, it's gonna look a little bit better, but we'll see to the next video. But for this one, I'm just just gonna give it, this is just a video that replacement of the hood. Unfortunately, it was not a plan. I was going to stick to the old one, but apparently things happen, and this is what it came about. There you have it, guys. That's basically it for this video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to comment below. Ask me anything you want to know. And thanks for watching, and please leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe for more videos, and you guys take care. Thanks.